Hello viewers, here is an Acurite thermometer. This is a window thermometer. It sticks onto a window and you can read it. If the battery was good, you could read it. I don't think this is a very accurate thermometer because a window is not a very good thermal insulator. It tends to transfer thermal energy to some extent. So especially when there's extreme temperature differences, this does not give a super accurate measurement of what the temperature outside is. And I have a proper thermometer in the bathroom, which is where this usually goes. It goes in the bathroom window. But, you know, for whatever reason, I have this, and so why not use it, even though it's not super accurate. The battery has gone bad, or at least it's starting to go bad, because on the cold mornings the display diminishes to just about nothing. It's kind of there right now, depending on what viewing angle you look at it at. But anyways, we're going to change the battery. I've got, I don't know how many of these crazy batteries, more than I'll ever use probably. Why does this have a doggone staple in it? Yeah, what kind of a harebrain would do that? Okay. Anyways, let's see here. Normally I don't buy brand name batteries. Don't get up in the comments box saying, oh, you brought name brand batteries or yeah, I brought Energizer batteries. You know, whatever. It is what it is. These were the best deal. You know, I'm discovering here that these claim to be used by 2020, so these have less than a year of their useful capacity left, which is kind of irritating because I'm not going to go through 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20 of these in a year. Oh well, I wish I had discovered that sooner. Anyways, so this is pretty easy to change the battery. It has an on and off switch, which I don't quite understand why this has that, but it's just 2 screws up at the top. They're relatively small, so you need a set of precision screwdrivers. I'll just go ahead and remove these screws. And then here's the battery. It's got a little pull tab, so you can remove it fairly easily. Make sure this is the right number. This is a A76. And then the battery goes. Well, at least that's it's supposed to go in there. There we go. I had to push this little plastic piece through there before the battery goes in. Alright, so that's in place now. Of course, this just had to come off. So you want to make sure you put this in the right way, because otherwise the numbers are going to be backwards on the window. Wish I knew that, Camper. I struggled to clean this while it was still together. Oh dear, you live and learn. Actually, the whole thing could be relatively easily cleaned now because, well, anyways. Screws never came out, so it's fairly convenient. Just screw them back in. And there we go. You can see the viewing angle is much improved, and we are now able to see the approximate temperature much better. So we'll go ahead and install this in the bathroom window, and this many batteries, and able to change the battery every week.